Hello, this is Operations in Algebra, translating phrases into expressions, example 5, and there's parts A, B, and C. This says 3 more than twice a number. 3 more than twice a number. You say it many times, and the way to do this is to start figuring out what you know. Twice a number. Okay, that's twice a number. Now 3 more is plus 3. If you're 15 and your sister is 3 more than you, she's 18. So plus 3 is the 3 more part. Twice a number is that part. So 3 more than twice a number. I think this is the most straightforward way to write 3 more than twice a number. Now, if you write this is also true, but I really could not take off any credit for this, but to me this is much more straightforward. If somehow in your mind this is more straightforward, it's also correct. It's the same thing. But here, 3 more than twice a number. The B is the difference of a number and 3 times another number. The difference of a number and 3 times another number. So we've got 2 numbers going on here. So I'm going to do the 3 times. Okay, there's 3 times a number. And now this other number, I guess I'll call it y. We need a second variable for this. And it's the difference of a number and 3 times a number. So the difference here is this: the difference of a number and 3 times a number. Think about the difference of 10 and 3. The difference of 10 and 3. The difference of a number and 3 times another number. And this another number means I need a different variable there. C part is twice the sum of 2 numbers. Twice the sum of 2 numbers. So I'm going to have to multiply something by 2. So the way to do this, like I said, is to start writing things. So twice, I'm going to have to multiply 2 times something. And what I'm going to multiply 2 times is the sum of 2 numbers. So if I've got the sum of 2 numbers, there, okay, that's the sum. Sum is going to be plus, of course, and the sum of 2 numbers, and it's going to be twice this. So I got to multiply this times 2. So how am I going to do that? Now, if I just put times 2 out here, well, the order of operations that we just learned would say that this y would be multiplied by the 2, but then the x would just be added. Okay, if I put the 2, so that's not going to work. If I put the 2 times over here, I'll have 2 times this number, and that'll be the end of that, and then I'll add y to it. So I still won't have twice the sum of 2 numbers. So how do I do this? And if you don't know, don't be surprised. There's going to be a lot of things that you don't know. You have to think, and I guess all I can do is tell you. There. Twice the sum of 2 numbers. There I've got the sum of 2 numbers, and it's going to be twice the sum of 2 numbers, and this has got to be the answer.